We'll guide you through how to use extension in Microsoft Edge Mobile. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Microsoft Edge app on your Android phone. Once the browser is ready, tap the three lines or menu button located at the bottom of the screen. A menu containing several browser options will appear. Tap Extensions to open the Extensions menu, where all of your installed extensions are displayed. After the Extensions menu opens, review the list of installed extensions and locate the extension that you want to use. Once you have found the correct extension, tap it to open its interface or settings page. Depending on the extension, a pop-up window or configuration page may appear. Take a moment to observe the available features and options provided by the extension. Some extensions offer simple controls, while others include additional customization settings that allow you to change how they work during browsing. Configure the extension settings according to your personal preferences if any customization options are available. Some extensions may already be ready to use without requiring additional setup, while others may require you to adjust specific settings before they become fully functional. If the extension requires manual activation on a web page, return to the browser and open the Extensions menu again. Locate the extension and tap it once more to run or activate it on the current web page. After it finishes, verify that the extension is working as expected by reviewing the changes or results displayed on the screen. If everything appears to function correctly, you can continue browsing while using the extension whenever it is needed. If you want to make further adjustments later, open the Extensions menu again and access the extension settings. Modify any available options according to your preferences, then save the changes before returning to your browsing session.